No. No, I'm not doing it. Listen, Victoria, I won't make any Hilton videos of my friends' stays. No. Well, I don't care if it's the nicest hotel in the area or if they have a cute bathroom sign. No. Alright. You win, but you're my voice. Hoodoo Moab, you said? It's coming up.
We came to Moab to visit Arches National Park during Memorial Day weekend 2021. We selected the Hoodoo Moab at Curio Collection by Hilton Hotel due to the location, and it's one of the nicest hotels in the area. Parking was easily accommodated, and they had some special parking spots for Diamond members. You can already see the red rocks when you get to the hotel. It's only about a 5-minute drive to Arches and in walking distance to the restaurants and shops in town. The hotel was heavily booked due to the holiday weekend. We booked the king bed accessible room and did not receive an upgrade. The normal price would be around $120, but for that particular weekend, prices went up to about $400, or as we paid, 70,000 points. Anyway, we enjoyed their funny sense of humor with the cute bathroom sign. The only restaurant on site looks modern and well decorated. It offers a complete menu and also has a full bar. You can eat in the restaurant, and they also have a nice area by the pool. We just had the cheesecake, but it was really good. It was a nice day, although the breakfast was not included. Instead, we got a $15 voucher that we were unable to use. Unfortunately, the breakfast opened at 7, but in order to be able to enter the park, we had to leave the hotel at 5:45 a.m. There's a nice and large pool area with a beautiful view, and next to it there's also the pool bar. The hotel is pretty new and opened in 2019. The overall style of the hotel is modern, but they also incorporated a lot of local decor, which I appreciated. The floors, for example, are filled with local pictures from the mountains and the park. The room was very large and clean. 2 bottles of water were also included. There's a TV and a desk. And from your room, you overlook the mountains and the pool area. There's a king-size bed and an extra seating area. There's also a convenient charging station by the bed, which is always appreciated. There's also plenty of storage, which leads to a spacious bathroom. It's an alcove tub with shower offering special branded amenities. The bathroom has 1 sink, and on the wall there are succulents and some other decorations, making the room more inviting.
For the Hoodoo Moab, our friends award 4.5 out of 5 diamonds. Victoria will be soon in the Palmer House, Chicago, and she is not sure if she wants to do that again. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and write her to do it again. See you out there. You're Alex from GajaDreams.com and friends.